We won't comment beyond saying we certainly have never been involved in any shootings, murders, or any acts of violence. We took responsibility for our actions on a particular day, in that having or being in possession of a firearm, and that is the end of the comments we are prepared to make at this time.
Tommy Lee Sparta, him come out of jail for the 3-year gun charge. Now the boy, I want dangerous boy from outer Norwood St. James. And him name mix up in enough thing, but one thing will strike me about the youth here. The machine where him get hold with. Them say I eat fling with rifle and one British, so me no know. So, me no know how him not charged with it. So, me can't understand that. And me do a video upon that before. So my thing is, what's going on with the rifle and one British case? What's going on with it? Did they buy out the case? Cause we know once them drop some money from the police, them, we know say all of that disappear. You know Jamaica stay. Jamaica have a way of the case just fade away. So I want to know what go on with that. So that's all me I say. Because if you were in any other country, say Canada, and we get catch with a gun, we have a real ops murder, me know say, would I get charged with murder or some other thing. So I've seen cases where man get catch with machine, stolen machine, and I get charged for it in Canada and stuff like that. But this is such a serious case. So I don't know. I can't tell. You know, it reminds me of the joke with the pastor. And the pastor have a daughter named Maggie. And Maggie, fucky. So Maggie, the pastor, church brother said, listen, pastor, you can't solve this problem, you know, with Maggie. The pastor said, oh. The pastor said, the church brother said, just buy a talking parrot and let the parrot watch her. And then you can ask the parrot when you come back from church and stuff like that. Cause him do it and it work. So the pastor buy a parrot. Them leave Maggie home. And them him and him wife went to church. When them go church, a little man come check Maggie. And Maggie take off her panty and put over the parrot cage for hide. So the parrot can't see what's going on. So she and the little man do her thing. The man jump back through the window and let go. So now the pastor come home, him and him wife, and him say to the parrot, him say, did Maggie have any man come here today? And the parrot said, I don't know, I can't tell. All I know that Maggie baggy stink the hell. Reason why me I said I want to stink. Remember now, the gun when him get catch with, it kill one British and it kill rifle. So I mean, if I was the police, that would have ring off alarm bells. So I don't know what's going on with that. Them and the murder still unsolved. You hear all sort of things. With that said, you know, me I go and watch it and see where I go on. I hope that youth here, him come out of prison. I hope him change him life and start move like a idiot. Cause him have talent. Me actually like him song them. Some of him song them. So, you know, I hope him just do the right thing. If I me like him would all help the kids them, show a different side of you. Help the kids them in the community. Do something substantial. Form a charity. Do something positive for Jamaica and your community. Tell the youth them to put down the gun. Tell the gunman them to chill out. You understand? And that you for do, Tommy Lee. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe. And very important, turn on your notification button. I got some new features, some super chat and all of them things there, so I try incorporate it. You know, me move slow on them things there, for certain things. I'm out.